Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter in a 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic. You can save a lot of money by doing it yourself. You don't need any tools, just a new filter. Start by opening the hood. The hood release is down by the driver's footwell. The secondary safety latch is right here. Just reach under the hood, push it that direction, and open the hood. The engine air filter is under this cover. There's just 3 clips, and the cover lifts up and pull the filter out. Then just put the new filter in. It's that easy. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.